Hello, welcome again to my channel, Dacty for You. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. And if today is your first time here, you are warmly welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I prepare my oven baked waakye. This recipe is so amazing and I know you are going to love it. Let's get into this recipe without wasting much time. So for this, you will need some black eye beans, or you can use the red beans, any beans of your choice that you use to make your waakye. So to that, add in enough water to cover it and then soak your beans overnight, or at least 4 to 6 hours will be fine. But I always prefer to soak my beans overnight, so I always do it at night and then use the beans in the morning. So this is it. I'm just going to set it aside and then we will use it in the morning. So this is the next morning and I'm ready to cook my waakye. So put water in a saucepan and then add in your leaves, the waakye leaves, that is the sorghum or the millet leaves. Add it in and then cover it and allow it to boil for about 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes and then I'm just going to add in my soaked beans. So this is the soaked beans. I drained the water and then washed it very well again before I use it in the food. So just give it a stir and cover it. Allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add in ginger and onion, salt, pepper, and then you cover it and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes or until the beans is about 50% cook. Yeah, like so. Then you take off the leaves. So I'm just going to take out the leaves from the beans and then we will continue. Now bring out your baking pan and then to that add in your beans. Add the beans that you have cooked inside the baking pan. I'm just using a ladle to just scoop them in because it's too hot and I don't want any accident to occur. But if you are comfortable pouring it inside, you can feel free to do so. So now add enough in and then add in your rice to it. So thank you so much for the love and the support. Please, if you are here and haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So stir everything in and add more beans and water to your desire. The more water you add, the softer your waakye is going to be. But if you don't want your waakye too soft like I do, don't add too much water to it. Yeah, but if you want your waakye to be too soft, you add enough water to it. You add a lot of water. I just add enough water to mine, but if you want your waakye to be too soft, go ahead and then add more water to it. Now add in your salt to taste and then a little bit of olive oil. Give it a stir and then you will just cover it and take it to your oven. So this is it. This is stress-free. You don't have to be checking on it. Your waakye is just going to cook right. All you need to do is that if you want it too soft, just feel free and add more water to it. But for me, this is how I want my waakye. I don't want my waakye too mushy, so this water was just right for me. Cover it with your foil and then put it in your preheated oven and allow it to bake. So this is it. Our waakye is all done. Just look at how beautiful this waakye is looking like. But this time it was all done. Here it is. Just look at it. It has cooked perfectly. It has cooked to perfection. As I said, if you want it too mushy or too soft, if you want it very soft, add water, more water to it. But me, this is how I like my waakye. Just look at it. This won't be bad for some waakye fried rice, right? No, not at all. It's going to be yummy. I know you are going to love it. So thank you so much. This can be paired with your favorite waakye stew, your chili sauce, black chili sauce, green chili sauce, some fish, eggs, macaroni, gari. Yeah, it pairs with a lot of things. So I paired mine with some waakye stew and shito. Feel free to pair yours with your favorite stew, any favorite stew of your choice. And remember, beans has a lot of carbohydrate, so make sure that you proportion your plate very well to get a balanced diet. So there should be some vegetables with your rice, some proteins, more proteins in there, some stew, and then you are good to go. That is why when we eat beans, we are just full. Yeah, there is a lot of carbohydrate. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I hope you enjoy. Bye and stay safe.